Hello, we're going to have a look at accessing Zoom on a Windows computer and some of the functions and features that you'll find once you're in a meeting. We always recommend using applications wherever possible, as in this case there is far more interactivity available for your lessons than in the web version. As soon as you click on your link, it will take you to this page. If you've got Zoom installed on your desktop, you simply launch the meeting. If, however, this is the first time that you've had to do this and you haven't got Zoom installed, then you'll have to click on Download and Run Zoom. This will get the installer going, and after it's installed you can click Launch Meeting any other time. Once the installation is complete, it will open automatically and ask you to enter your name. Please use your full name for attendance purposes. Then you'll have to click to say that you accept the terms of service and privacy policy. We of course highly suggest that you read this first. Once you've joined the meeting, you'll have the option of what audio settings to use, whether you want to use the computer audio or from a phone call. We would generally suggest that you use the computer audio and set this to be the default option. Assuming that your system is set up securely, it will ask you to allow access. You should click accept because otherwise it won't work. Once you're in the meeting, the most important settings of start and stop video and mute your microphone are in the bottom left corner. Simply click them once to set them on or off, or if you'd like more in-depth options, use the small arrow just to the right of the button. Here we have Participant, which gives you a list of everyone currently in the meeting. Chat, which lets you type messages to everyone or individuals. Then there's Record, which lets you take a video recording. And finally Reactions, which lets you give a brief emoticon style response to whatever's currently going on. So if you'd like to be presenting a PowerPoint or some other version of a screen share, maybe you wanted to show a project you've been working on, you can screen share and you can choose which screen or what application you're going to be sharing. Alternatively, if you'd like to do some collaboration work, you might find yourself using the Whiteboard, in which case you'd use the annotation options to write or draw or mark or otherwise interact with what's on the whiteboard. It's worth noting that this is also available whenever someone is sharing their screen. While in a meeting without any sort of screen share going on, you will see there are two view options. The first option is a grid, in which you see each participant equally and they take up the same amount of size. This will work up until about 50 people, at which point you'll have another screen to go onto for the overflow. The other option is host view, in which one video is highlighted and the rest appear at the top in a row.